Two Meghalaya youth who brought home the National Bravery Award last week received a warm welcome upon reaching Nongpot town today by the Hill Farmers Union Riboy district for bringing laurels to the state and in respect of the Meritorious Act. The two youth who received the National Bravery Awards include former Kongdri from Umkrem village of East Khasi Hills and one Lombok Rani from Umden Arka village of Riboy district. The National Bravery Award was conferred by Major General Vikram Dev Dogra AVCM on January 25th in New Delhi. The awards are a set of awards given annually to Indian children below 18 years of age for meritorious acts of bravery.
Ngile ngide tang kum ki kun kinong kendong re ngimpoi perkat ka jingmut jangalik ngampoi perkat ro và nganpoi hadu une uput bang yo lichimi kan National Bravery Award sadelhi re ka jingdon jungi sadelhi ro isngudab ka jing sungkumen bang don ben lichimi kata National Bravery Award.